welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do another video from the launch experiment. Today we're gonna do some experiments with water, not just one experiment. Mama, what would happen if we put the cup upside down?
Let's try it, Vivan. So let's put the plate over here first because we would not want to make any mess.
Take out the straw. Okay. Whoa! It's staying in there, Mama.
Yeah, wow. You know why it's staying in there?
No.
Let's see.
Okay. Oh wait, what happens if we put some picks? Okay. Oh my goodness, the toothpicks floating. This is an experiment. Whoa! Experiment completed. Some water did come out. Whoa, Mama, hold up. What would happen if we put an open glass upside down?
Okay, Vivan, let's try. But first put this glass plastic sheet on the glass and see what happens.
Okay, put them on the tube.
Try.
Whoa! Experiment completed.
Wow.
Hey guys, today right now we're gonna show you how to change the direction of an arrow. So one arrow will be orange and one will be green. Yeah! Okay, so let's get started. Get the whiteboard pen. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to magically change the direction of the green arrow to the opposite of it, the way that the orange arrow is facing. Okay, so let's get so I'm going to put it on a tissue box. Put a glass of water in front of it, Wallet. Whoa! It's the opposite. The green arrow facing the opposite. Well, you have the orange arrow now. Woohoo! Now let's change the direction of the orange arrow. Yeah! 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 We changed the direction of both of the arrows. Now let's remove the glass and see what happens. Okay, so if you like this experiment, then make sure to subscribe with the notification bells and share this with your family if they want to do any of these experiments. Oh, and also leave a like on today's video. Yeah! Bye-bye!